Angela Okorie si na Mercy Johnson jee na nke dibia ka ọ kụọ ya ala na imagine ọ bụ na ọ nọ na-aba ụzọ ịnọ kịta na kọntrolu moto nọrụ n'ime afịa wee na-ayị ara na si kedu ife ndị mmadụ ya akọ na ya na uno nwere ọya Mercy Johnson na aya na ya agbagharịgokwana ya maka nya bụ ọya Mercy Johnson na aya na ọya agha si Mercy Johnson na aya abụrụkwa na ọya ihe asị ka iwelu manyelu onye ilowu ya jee ka ọ confess ya famili ndị o mejọgasị ndị okechigasị nke bụzi na odechara nya bụ ife onye nke bụzi Regina Daniels wee bịazie wee lepụrụ anyị Angela Okorie wee sị ya na with all due respect anti na ọdụzikwa ka nya bụ Angela Okorie ọ na-ayịzikwa ala na ya chetakwa na Mercy Johnson nwere nwa na forgive Mercy Johnson na forgive ọkwa na ọ gbasaghị ọlụfa na fada ashawarekwa nke bụzikwa na nya bụ Angela Okorie jezi wee lepụrụ anyị kwa Regina Daniels si na ọnụrụ ancestors fa ma akọrọ na ife ọkọrọ ya mana gegodunu ka ụnụnụ ife Angela Okorie kọrọ Mercy Johnson kpatalụ Regina Daniels ji wee lepụrụ anyị Nollywood industry na-agbazikwa ọkụ.
I got the news recently that Mercy Johnson is not feeling well, and I really honestly feel for her and I want the best for her. I want her to win. And for real, the kind of sickness they told me she has is not something I would ever want to wish any of my enemies. And today, I've forgiven her. And I would not want to say anything that has to do with her. You know, sometimes these bloggers, they're really crazy. When they just see me comment on somebody's wall or something, they will just go and munch it and post it before you know it will start trending. So, today I've forgiven her, but the truth of what I will have to say is she should go and apologize to people she has offended. Yeah, tell her I said so. Tell Mercy I said she should go and apologize to people she has wronged. It's better. Apologizing to people you have wronged is better than using church words that you don't represent. Apologizing to people when you hurt them, when you do them evil. Mercy did a whole lot of things in the industry, and today I am forgiving her. From the depth of my soul. For real, I'm forgiving her. My spiritual father called me and said, forgive them. Even if she has hurt you, forgive. And I said, Daddy, I've forgiven. I've forgiven him. I've forgiven her. But what she did is out of this world. People don't really need to know. I don't really need to say it, but if I keep saying Mercy is evil, Mercy is evil. Oh. Mercy is evil, but I've forgiven her. I've forgiven her. God knows from my heart I have forgiven her. I am not forgiving her for her. I am forgiving her because of God. I'm not forgiving her for me. I'm forgiving her because of God. But if you want to go down, what this lady did to me, she went spiritual for me. So imagine say I done the mad for street now, waiting for them to happen. So imagine say I the mad for street now. Okay, this Angela one they still say they fresh today, you don't understand. So imagine. So waiting for the happen. What is actually gonna be her, what will be her gain? That okay, finally, okay, you guys did a lot of things you did, plus all your envies and all the whole cockaboos and all that. They blacklisted me in the industry and I started music. Started doing music, channeling my energy and my money into music until I can't get hit back to back. The fame come pass as it be before. It can't still depend them. I'm somebody